How to play a video automatically in PowerPoint. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can play a video automatically in PowerPoint. For this, you want to open Microsoft PowerPoint on your laptop or PC. Once you have opened the presentation, you want to head over to the slide where you want to insert the video. Now, click on the Insert option. From here, you want to select Video. I'm going to select this device. Now here, you can browse the video you want to select and click on the Insert option. Once the video has been inserted, you can make any necessary changes that you want on the video format. Now, you want to click on the Playback option from this panel. Here, you have the option of Start. If you click on the drop-down menu, you have three options: in-click sequence, automatically, and when clicked on. You want to select the option of automatically. Once you select this, the video will now automatically play in your PowerPoint presentation. You can press F5 and check. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.